How to log into Wells Fargo account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Wells Fargo account. So once you're inside any of your browser, simply search in for the Wells Fargo and you will be heading over to this first link and simply click on it. And once you click on it, you will be heading over to this website, the official website of wellsfargo.com. And once you're inside in this screen, simply head over to the left section of your screen and you can type in your username just like this. And once you type in your username, you can also enter your password from over here. And once you do that, you can use this button to save your username so that you can easily remember the next time you log in. And from over here, you can simply click on this sign on button to successfully log into your Wells Fargo account. If you haven't created a Wells Fargo account already, you can simply do it by clicking this button over here, that is enroll button. And if you have forgotten your username or password, you can simply reset it using this link over here. So that is exactly how you can easily log into your Wells Fargo account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.